Just after 5 a.m. we're ready to pull out. Tony's driving his bus. I'm driving his F-250. It had more room than my Jeep, so I'll drive it instead. All right.
Can you hear?
Had to make a fuel stop before heading up the hill. I grabbed more coffee because it's way too early for me. And we're ready to start our trek up the hill. That big red box on the back is the ramp Tony built for the Ultra 5K. You can see the little Ultra logos all the way around the outside. I'm gonna keep my streak going and not participate in the 5K again. It's 5:45 now, which puts us just a little bit further behind than we thought, just with a quick fuel stop, so we're still gonna be there plenty early. Crossing 3,000 feet now. Donner Ski Ranch is at like 7,100 feet, so pretty decent elevation. So we're heading up now. All my cars are behind me here. I actually didn't get any prep done on any vehicles before I left, but I grabbed all the parts that I wanted to, change out and do, and I'm just gonna do it while we're up there after we're set up. Got a pretty good break today between once we get set up and once the people start coming in. So I'll just sit at the booth, work on my truck a little bit, relax today before it starts to really get crazy over the next couple of days. My Ripper is the one that I'm really the most concerned with, and it's really in pretty good shape. I prepped it well before last Axialfest, and that's actually the last time I drove it, so yeah. The sun. It's quite bright this time of the morning. I wouldn't normally know that.
No, he said he left at 6.
I believe that's our camping lot for everybody. It's decent enough size, hopefully it holds enough people, but we're about to pull in. Here's Donner Ski Ranch. So it's 10:50. We got about an hour before registration opens up. They haven't been letting campers in until noon, which they had posted a ton of times, but you can see everybody starting to line both sides of the road in all directions. So it's gonna be interesting. Once they open registration, they're gonna have the campers pull into the parking lot and kind of stage in these lanes that they have here. So once they're in here, then they'll direct them to their spot, which is actually across the road over there. There's tent camping on the top side, and then there's RV camping down there, and it goes, RV camping's like 1,000 feet deep, so should be able to fit a decent amount. But yeah, the campers are really starting to stack up on both sides of the road. Maybe they'll open it before noon. Seems like that might be a good plan. We're set up, Fast Eddie's set up next to us, Pitbull on the other side, RC4 Drive setting up right now. RPP's selling parts. I'm standing in the Gens Ace booth, so I'm sure they'll be here before too long, I would imagine. And Teakin's next to them. Vendor row's shaping up. Oh, and we have Tom's awesome Gladiator over here. Looking good. So it's 11:45 and they've opened registration and everything. They probably opened it, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes ago. So they did end up opening it early just because there was such a backlog of traffic, but a lot of people showing up already though for being right on time.
How's it going, man?
Not too bad, how are you? Yeah, I know. So it's 6:15 now. Things are kind of winding down in the vendor area. People are starting to filter in and out. I assume a lot of people are going to start going eating dinner, things like that. Kind of looking at the course. There's a couple of courses close to camp. Then there's some that you have to get a pretty good hike to. So I need to get my rig worked on first. I'm going to swap some things out here while we eat dinner. Maybe I'll do a night run tonight. We'll see. Camping filled up pretty quick. Still waiting on a few vendors to show up though, so vendor row fill up more tomorrow. You can see some people kind of heading up the hill into the woods along the trail. Up through there, up that road, and kind of runs that ridge line. So lots of people having fun. I haven't heard how long the courses are or how hard they are or anything like that, and I'll probably try and hit my own here before too long. If not tonight, early tomorrow morning, but hopefully tonight. Although I can only imagine how bad the bugs are going to be. They were bad this morning. So if you're coming, bring bug spray. So it's like, let's see what time it is. It's just after 9. Been a good night, but I'm whooped. I did get some prep done on the Ripper. Ooh, I'm way too out of breath. I did get some work done on the Ripper, but I really just needed more time. So I'll get it out tomorrow. Tonight, I'm too tired for a night run. Good start to it though, and everything will really get kicked off tomorrow, I think. Whew. Seriously out of breath. I walked up this stupid hill just to get out of the way, and you can see a bunch of people night running, but I'm way too winded for the length of that short, very short hike. So I'll do it tomorrow. Honestly, the bugs are freaking awful right now though too, so I am not going to be sad to be going in and starting to edit video. But anyway, tomorrow will be more fun, more action. I'll actually drive something. Hopefully I'll see some of you guys up here, and you guys will see more video coming soon.